Click on the link below to get price. The XPOWER XTREMEDRY Mojave Drying System Package XDP1 is an exceptional solution for homeowners and professionals dealing with water damage restoration. This advanced drying system is designed to expedite the drying process efficiently, making it an invaluable tool for anyone facing the challenges of moisture control. One of the standout features of the XDP1 is its powerful 13 HP motor that delivers impressive airflow. With a maximum airflow of 3,800 CFM, it can quickly dry wet carpets, floors, and walls, significantly reducing the time and effort required for restoration tasks. The unit also includes a built-in air filtration system, which helps to maintain air quality by removing dust and allergens, a vital feature during the drying process. The versatility of the XPOWER XTREMEDRY is another major plus. It comes with adjustable settings, allowing users to customize the airflow speed and direction to suit various drying needs. The unit can be oriented in multiple ways: horizontal, vertical, or tilted, enabling precise air placement where it is most needed. This adaptability is particularly beneficial in tight spaces or when addressing specific problem areas. Moreover, the XDP1 is designed with user convenience in mind. It features a lightweight construction, making it easy to transport from one room to another. The integrated handle and stackable design enhance portability, especially for professionals who may need to move equipment frequently between job sites. In terms of energy efficiency, this drying system stands out with its low power consumption, keeping operational costs manageable without compromising on performance. The unit is also built to last, featuring durable components that can withstand rigorous use in demanding environments. Overall, the XPOWER XTREMEDRY Mojave Drying System Package XDP1 is a highly effective tool for water damage restoration. Its powerful performance, versatile design, and energy efficiency make it a worthy investment for both DIY enthusiasts and professional restorers alike. Whether you're tackling a small spill or a significant flood, this drying system is sure to deliver impressive results.